Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this week I'm showing you a retro text effect. Yeah, it's retro, but it's basically like a chrome effect, which is like retro colors added to it, sort of. That's my take on this. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna just start with Arial Black as a font. If you guys want to go to dafont.com and find a retro type of font to use, you're more than welcome to, but I just basically made this using Arial Black, and it looked pretty cool. And it reminded me of like an 80s retro movie title, so that's why I'm calling it 80s retro style, but y'all can call it chrome effect if you want, whatever. So we're going to add a lot of effects to this, so let me just show you what I did. Starting with the Bevel and Emboss, I have a stroke emboss, chisel hard, depth of 30%, directions up, and the size is 8. Down here on the shading, we have negative 30 degrees with the angle, 32 altitude, and we have a global light, by the way. And check off anti-allies, and then select this contour here, rings double. And then down below in the highlight mode, we have white, screen, 100% opacity, and then shadow mode is black with 75% opacity. Alright, and then our stroke is going to be inside with an 8 size, and we're going to select a blue color like that. Yep, there we go. Inner shadow, we're going to select multiply for our blend mode, 100% opacity with a blue color again chosen. You're going to have it with an 18 pixel size. Oh, and before I forget, make sure contour is checked off right here. We're not going to do anything different, just check it off anyway. Alright, so now we have our inner glow. After that, multiply 100% for the opacity. Again, blue color chosen. Did I just show you guys that? We just did that. Oh my god, we just did that. Never mind, guys. Moving down to gradient overlay. Sorry, guys. I got a little sidetracked. Okay, so our gradient is going to be where we get the chrome effect. So over here, on the left side, we have a white. And then here towards the center, we have a purple. A bright, bright purple. And then over here, we have a... So here's how you're going to get the white on top of the black. So we're going to move the white a little bit. So add another stopper by double clicking it, and you'll have your color drop there. This one needs to be black, and then that one's going to be white. So then you're going to add another one, 2, 3. You're going to add your fourth stopper, and this one's going to be at a location of 51%, which will be basically almost on top of the black one. Then we're going to add another one here, double click. Going to add another, this one's going to be blue, click OK. Then at the end on the right, we're going to have black, just like that. Click OK, OK, and there we go, that's our gradient, awesome sauce. Then last but not least, I'm adding an outer glow. Screen from blend mode and opacity at 70% with a blue color chosen like that. And a 150 pixel size. Click okie dokes, click it, and boom! That's the effect we have. Now, obviously my background, I chose black. I did do a gradient overlay for my background, but you guys do not have to. I just did a random gradient for my background. Basically black, black, and a blue. This is actually blue, guys, just so you know it's a really, really dark blue. You can barely see it, but it's there, so that's that. Essentially. And yeah, there you go. Because you see, there's blue right there. So there you go, guys. That is the retro text effect, or chrome effect, whichever you want to call it. Depending on the font that you use, it's going to have a different outcome. So it worked really well with Arial Black, but I do feel like if you guys used a real retro like font, it would look even better. Let's see, what other fonts do I have to show it with you guys? I can do this one here, which is, oh nope, that's a bad decision. Yeah, well, see, there's that is a choice. What's my other choices? Future. And you'll notice how some of them, the effect doesn't showcase as well. So like a thinner font won't be as good as you see here. So, yeah, I really think that using Arial Black, if you don't have any other cool fonts to choose from, is probably your best option. But again, dafont.com is a free site. You can download all sorts of free fonts, and they're amazing. I'm not sponsored by them, guys. I just love their site, and they're amazing, so I use that for all my cool fonts you see there. So definitely give them a check out. Alright, guys, that's my video for the week. I will catch you guys later. And again, if you guys have any questions, suggestions, or any Photoshop needs, comment below, and I will get in contact with you in some way. Or I'll reply back on here. Either way works for me, and it really works for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye!